Hello sir, ang papa ko po matagal nang hindi nakahulog sa pag-ibig. Dati po siyang LGU employee. Dati po siyang LGU employee nung naguhulog pa siya ngayon. Labor siya sa isang private company. Since wala na po siyang plano muna maghulog, may concern question po siya. Pwede po bang kunin yung nahulog niya dati? Kung hindi raw po, hindi naman daw ba mawawala yung nahulog niya dati kung sakasakaling. Yes, Pres, ito yung tanong ni ma'am or sir sa ating Q&A with Proof AMN. So it's about grounds for withdrawal ng pag-ibig, regular savings ni pag-ibig member na inactive. Pwede ba daw niya makuha? And second question, hindi ba mawawala ang savings ni pag-ibig member? Sir or ma'am, sasagutin ko yung question mo in a direct, concise, and with example. Let's get started. Ito po yung unang sagot sa question ninyo, ma'am or sir. Grounds for pag-ibig, regular savings, withdrawal. So may 7 grounds tayo, no? Any of the following dito, pwede makuha yung pag-ibig, regular savings. Number 1, membership maturity or 20 years member po tayo. Number 2, retirement at age 60 or 65. Number 3, separation from service due to health reasons. Number 4, permanent departure from the country. Number 5, permanent total disability or insanity. Number 6, critical illness of the member or any of his or her immediate family member. And number 7, member's death. So yan po ang mga grounds, sir or ma'am, para makuha natin ang pag-ibig, regular savings or pag-ibig 1. So very clear po yan, no? By the way, sa number 6, critical illness of the member or any of his or immediate family member, see to it po na may medical certificate yan from the doctor. So yan po ang i-attach natin, no, sa application form ng Provident Benefit Claim. Alright, so moving forward to our second answer sa question ni ma'am or sir. So ano nga yung second question? Hindi ba mawawala ang pag-ibig regular savings? Answer, government guaranteed si pag-ibig regular savings. Ibig sabihin sir or ma'am, hindi po mawawala ang savings ni member. Bakit po? Kasi si Pag-ibig, sir or ma'am, is a government-owned controlled corporation. Opo, GOCC po si Pag-ibig. Kagaya ng GSIS, PhilHealth, tsaka SSS. Hindi po private company si Pag-ibig, sir or ma'am. Government office po yan, GOCC. As a result, hindi po mawala yung savings ni Pag-ibig member. Government guaranteed po yan. Wala pa pong na-bankrupt na government office, right? So, hindi po mawawala, sir or ma'am. 100%. In fact, yung savings nyo sa Pag-ibig, nag-earn yan siya ng annual dividends even though inactive si Pag-ibig member. Kagaya ni sir or ma'am na hindi na nakahulog sa savings niya or contribution sa Pag-ibig. Opo, nag-earn pa rin siya ng dividends. Ang problema lang po, kung inactive member si sir or ma'am, hindi na maka-avail ng housing loan and multipurpose loan. Yan lang po ang disadvantage. So, I suggest be an active member ni Pag-ibig, ma'am or sir, para ma-enjoy po ang loan entitlement na gina-offer ni Pag-ibig sa mga members. Alright? By the way, thank you for asking questions sa mga viewers natin. Appreciate much. So, lahat ng mga good questions ng mga viewers, rest assured, I will answer that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.